G'day everybody, this is John Seville from Acorn Wealth. Quick intraday update. As you can see, the S&P 500 still appears to be rolling under what we had anticipated would be that head and shoulders pattern. So as you can see, that original level with the parallel lines seems to be coming true so far. As you can see, we're still holding above open range, but underneath the resistance. So we're kind of oscillating back and forth, still holding in that bearish nature. Quick couple of updates I wanted to give you. FRSH, the November $4 options have now doubled. So nothing wrong with taking the original capital out of the setup. And because the trade has now done a 100% move on the options if you were in those. As you can see, we're running right into a resistance zone here. So also, even if you're in the stock, that's moved up 8% yesterday, another 2.6% today, so that's up about 10%. So again, nothing wrong with taking some short-term profits here, as we could pull back, offering a re-entry point back at support, or I'd look at a breakout above. Let's see here, or a breakout above 568 could also be an opportunity to re-enter. The high back here is 564. The high here was 565. So yeah, a break above 568 could be a re-entry point, and then go up to the next level. So that's FRSH. Awesome if you're in that one. Hope you were. It was a smart money setup. And a couple of other new alerts. We had a look at AKBA, AKBA. This one has a fair amount of insider buying going on, and as you can see, this started off as a fallen angel back here at $9. Has had a great rally, pulled back, and now be going for the second run. If we go back to a bit of a history on the company, as you can see, there's more room for it to possibly go, and that's the especially if we break through this resistance, which is going to be the main threat overhead here at around 1660. So we look at a possible entry here, or could have a look at the October $15 calls, either way. And then if it breaks above that, that'll be the confirmation. So in the short term, we could look at a stop criteria there at 1463 below the low of that candle. The calls are 145 bid by 175 ask. Last price was 175. So again, that looks quite good. And one last one, RGLS. This one, as you can see, again a fallen angel setup. It does have some moving average resistance to get to overcome, but this stock's had a long decline from $20 and is now down at $1. If we have a look at the hourly chart, you can see basically how this price action has worked. It's basically gone straight up. Broke through that $1 psychological barrier, pulled back to $1, and may be ready to go again from here. What's interesting on AKBA is, on RGLS, is have a look at the insiders. There is a significant buying that's going on, as you can see here, with a 130% increase in their position from the director, and so forth. So interesting stuff. I've bought a stock position in this myself just now at $1, whatever price I ended up getting in at. So I wanted to make you aware of that, and you could also take a look speculatively at the February 2018 $2.50 calls. They're currently 8 cents. So if this thing really explodes, then by February of next year, it could be a nice little run. So there you have it. Have a wonderful afternoon and day, and we'll see you in trading room. Happy trading.